evening, fellow white shavers. Leroy here, back with another shaving video. How is everybody today? Today is Thursday, the day before Avengers Endgame opens up in theaters everywhere. I'm pretty excited about the shave. This shave is going to be a very special shout out to TrevieB. You guys, hopefully you guys better be following him. If not, shame on you. Please give him a sub. The guy's awesome. I've mentioned him before on the channel. The dude does fantastic videos. I mean, he tells you his opinion and I like it. Most of the time I agree. I mean, probably 99% of the time I agree with what he's talking about. But he's not afraid to tell you what's on his mind and how he really feels. And it's a very, very nice change of pace and a breath of fresh air. But besides that, if you guys haven't followed him for a little while, you know he is one of the most generous people in the community, especially for the wet tubers. I have been on the receiving end of his generosity a couple of times now. The most recent was just freaking awesome. I'm going to be using this in today's shave. He sent me something and it got here Monday, I believe it was. And this is my very, very first time to use it. You guys know, those who've been following me for a while know that I love Kamisori razors. And that's basically why I started this channel, was for you guys to follow along with my adventures in learning how to use a Kamisori shavette. My first Kamisori shavette was a CJB, which is, I mean, you can pick them up for right around $30 to $40, which is a steal, really, especially when you compare them to the Feather, which is the more popular brand. Speaking of Feather, that's actually what Trevor sent me, and I'm still floored by this. So it's a Feather SS Kamisori thing. It's got a very, very nice weight to it. Let me show you the one that I have been using for the past several months. You can see them side by side. This one still has a blade, or this one has a blade in it loaded backwards. No blade in this one yet, but look at the difference here. This is modeled on the Kai version. So I mean, just weight alone, there's a difference. This is a touch heavier. Balance is probably a bit better on this one as well. So whoever said that the fit and finish is 10 out of 10 on this bad boy is not lying. So I mean, you know, made in Japan, not China. So if you guys don't know, the blade goes in here. You just pinch these to the side like this. Blade just drops right in. It comes apart for cleaning and whatnot. Make a liar to me. There you go. There's that right there. So let me go ahead and put this back together, and then we will get into the rest of the shave. Oh, also, along with this, he sent me a bunch of blades. He sent me 3 packs of these Captain Kai pink blades. I love these blades. So far, they're the best that I've used in a shavette. I love them. Right. Continuing on with the rest of the stuff. I had a chance to pick up this soap. I've never used this, so this is something else that's new to the den. Something that I've never used before. Lather Brothers soap. I had the chance to pick up this soap, and they do these limited edition soaps that are themed, right? They did one last year for, was it last year, 2 years ago, for Avengers? Well, they did another one for this season's, or this year's Endgame. So this is Culmination. This is actually a really, really nice scent. It's very barbershop-y. It's tallow based. I get a barbershop-y-ness with a touch of floral, like maybe the lavender, but I can also smell they use coconut oil in here, and I get a hint of the coconut oil. It's a really pleasant scent. And I just dig the labels. Oh, focus. If you guys follow Chris Madden, you know he's a huge fan of these soaps. So I'm pretty excited to use it. And the labels are just freaking incredible. I love them. And I had to bust out the wolf whiskers. They match. They match perfect. So I got this bad boy soaking. All right, let me put this bloom water on my face, and then we're going to get rolling. As usual, just got out of the shower. So I have no idea how thirsty this soap is or anything like that. So we're just going to load it like I normally do and see how it goes. I'm gonna cold water. So I'm gonna put some cold water on my brush. Let me put some more cold water. Sorry. I just put some in the cup there. All right, shake that bad boy out. Let's go. So, I mean, typically if I'm not on camera, I will load like this. But sometimes it's kind of cool to show you guys the loading process, right? That way I'm not down here and you think I'm doing something crazy. No pressure, just running the tips over the top of the soap. It's starting to get a little bit pasty. I don't know if you guys can see that. Pasty here. That's probably plenty of soap. So set the brush down. Let's pick up some of this proto lather. Knock on wood, no irritations. Oh, it's been a few days since my last shave. I forgot what I did when my last shave was. I think, was it Sunday? I think it was Sunday. I think it was a live shave I did in the Facebook group. I think I might start doing more live shaves there since I can't do them on YouTube. Not yet anyways. So I'm just cleaning off the soap. I like a clean puck. All right, let's go. It's a lot of water, I mean a lot of soap, so it's gonna take a lot of water, I think. So have you guys had a good week? My week wasn't too bad. My wife had a test today. Oh, I just blew a bubble. And she did good. She passed it. So she's well on her way to getting her RN here in California, which is a good thing. It's one of her goals, you know, so I'll support her 110%. She's doing great. Real great. I'm really proud of her. A couple drops of water. Knock on wood. The soap is lathering pretty good. Some more water. It paints a little bit of water inside here, just to slicken it up a little bit. Nice. There we go. Okay, so I don't have a blade loaded in here yet. What do I have right here? So you guys don't know how these go. This little thing here, right? Just pull it back. You'll hear a click. And then push it. And then I just grab it with my hands and pull it out. These blades are kind of cool. I don't know if you guys can see that in the camera. There's a dark line. That's the edge. There he goes. Fits like a glove. There you go. Thank you, Trevor. This one's for you, brother. Nice. Soap is nice and slick. The feel of this Kamisori is nice. Very nice. The contour, it's not squared, it's kind of rounded and it pivots in the hand really nice. Did you guys see Trevor's last video? He actually did a shave with a shave head that looked very much like this, but it took a DE blade, or half a DE blade. Pretty cool, pretty good shave actually. Packaging on that thing is actually really nice. Got myself right there. So far so good though. I'm digging it. This is a beautiful shaver. Thank you again, Trevor. My wife is watching Grey's Anatomy. I think it's like the fourth or fifth time she's watched all the seasons. She's on season 6. I mean, we are on season 6. Shut up and shave, Leroy. Ooh. Man, that just mows down the growth. This thing it's comfortable, and I like the weight of it too. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Let me rinse off and go for pass number 2. Oh, this has some pretty good residual slickness too. It's a good soap. I think they do a vegan as well if that's your thing. But I think most of their soaps are tallow based. This one is. Sorry, I can't tell you what the scent notes are. You'll have to look it up. My memory sucks. But I know lavender was part of there. Man. That's right. Now I remember my last shave. Did a live shave in the It's Just Shaving group with the second of 2 group soaps that came out this year. Made by Russell Barton. Beautifully scented soaps, though. Very beautiful. Really nice shave so far. Ooh. I'm enjoying this. I apologize for being quiet, everybody. But I'm enjoying this shave. I honestly never thought I would be able to get one of these shavers. It's freaking incredible. Trevor also recently tagged She Shaves with Jill. She got a pretty epic milk call. This is not any less epic by any means. Trevor's really good. He's good. He's a good guy. I mean, he's as good as it gets in the wet shaving industry or community. You know what I mean? There's plenty of people like Trevor. As far as the wet tubers go, I mean, there's a lot of great guys out there. A lot. You know, some of those guys do stuff behind the scenes. And Trevor, he doesn't expect anything in return. Most of these guys don't, you know. This is nice. Very, very, very nice. Damn. This is beautiful. Man. Really, really nice. Wow. Really awesome. This is damn near BBS. It's super, super comfortable to use. Guys, this is, you don't get much closer. You don't. Wow. Awesome. Nice. Good soap. Great razor. Great. That's my shave. fantastic. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shave. Let me do a quick little recap, and then we will close this out. Soap of the evening was Lather Bros, Soap Co, Lather Bros, Lather Brothers, Tomato. Culmination. This is themed, or in honor, or whatever you want to call it, for the Avengers Endgame. Excuse me. My wolf whiskers brush, and it actually matches. It's catching the light. This is a cool brush. I do like this brush. And probably this was the star of the show for me. A Feather SS by TrevieB, Trevor Bailey. Please, if I remember before posting this, I'll put a link to his channel down in the description. If you're not a subscriber, please go check him out and give him a sub. He's awesome. He's a breath of fresh air in the wet tube verse. So please check him out. Give him some support. Show him some of this wet tuber love that you guys show me. So again, thank you guys. I appreciate it. That's my shave, guys. Again, awesome shout out to Trevor B. Thank you, brother. This means the world to me. So thank you. Lather Brothers soap, really good soap. I actually would recommend it. I mean, it's got everything pretty much that you need in a soap, right? It's good. It lives up to the hype. Really good. That's it, everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed the shave as much as I did. Apologize for the rush here at the end, but it's that time, I got to spend some time with the wife and the kids. I don't mind at all. But that's it, everybody. My next shave is going to be live in the It's Just Shaving Facebook group. So like I said, I'm going to try to be doing more in there. Those ones will probably be on the weekend. It's just more convenient, right? And you just hit go, and I don't have to process or download to my computer and all this other crap stuff. So it's a bit easier. So YouTube videos will be more during the week, and then the Facebook stuff will be on the weekend. So I'm trying to make things a bit more consistent for you guys, all right? So 2, possibly 3 videos during the week on YouTube, and 1 live one at least in the Facebook group. So if you guys have Facebook, check out the group. I'd appreciate it. Just answer 3 questions. That's it. Pardon me. All right, everybody, I'm out of here. Thank you so much for sticking with me this long. Thank you to the new subscribers. I do appreciate it. Hope you'll have a fantastic weekend. If you guys are going out there to watch the movie this weekend, no spoilers, please. That's it, everybody. Thanks again. I appreciate all the support and everything. So again, show your love to Trevor B. All right. I'll try to remember to put a link to his YouTube channel down below. So with that, I'm out. Take care, everybody. Have yourselves a fantastic weekend. And as always, do not text and drive. Take care.